Hello kids, today we learn odd and even number with number block. Let's start. 1 is odd number, 2 is even, 3 odd, 4 even number, 5 odd, 6 even number, 7 odd number, 8 even number, 9 odd number, 10 even number, 11 odd number, 12 even number, 13 odd number, 14 even number. Next, 15 is odd number, 16 even number, 17 is odd number, 18 is even number, 19 is odd, 20 is even, 21 is odd, 22 is even, 23 is odd, 24 is even number, 25 is odd number, 26 is even number, 27 is odd number, 28 is even number. Next, 29 is odd, 30 is even, 31 is odd, 32 is even number, 33 is odd, 34 is even, 35 is odd, 36 is even, 37 is odd, 38 is even, 39 is odd, 40 is even, 41 is odd, 42 is even number, 43 is odd number, 44 is even, 47 is odd number, 48 is even, 49 is odd, 50 is even, 51 is odd number, 52 is even number, 53 is odd number, 54 is even, 55 is odd number, 56 is even, 57 is odd number, 58 is even number. Great job, my dear kids. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Bye bye.